Very small. See? Mini PC.
Mini PC.
It's very small. Look at it. This is all PC. It's a computer. And then you open.
It's the same like this?
No.
Uh,
Here's the screen. See? So
It's like a
oh my
computer.
God! Look, it's smaller than I thought. Look.
Ah, so it's like Apple TV.
Yeah, like
That-
Apple TV. See?
is it like that?
Yeah.
That's it. That's the
Is
computer.
is it like that computer?
No.
Oh.
Just like this.
This
it
one
will
only.
connect to
This
the
one
screen.
only need the screen. Screen, keyboard, and mouse. And then it will work. See, it's very small. I can put in my bag, put in my pocket, and take it anywhere I want. See,
Is it okay?
there should be a power cable. This one and a power cable. That's it.
Yeah, it's very
That's
light.
all you need. Yeah, that's why I bought it, because I can take it to school. I can take it anywhere I want. See,
Yeah.
okay. This one is for the screen. It's HDMI,
Yeah.
and this one for the power.
Nice.
See, this one you can connect like this if you want to, or you can use the two.
Ah, that's good. Here
And you
is,
plug somewhere in here. Where is the plug? Here. You plug here, and then you connect. You connect to the power. You connect the keyboard. Keyboard I'm gonna buy wireless,
uh-huh.
and
Can
then
make also in wireless.
yeah, I'm gonna make the keyboard wireless, and then just connect this one
Mm.
to the TV, and it will work. Any TV you go anywhere, it will work.
It's nice.
Very nice. Yeah, it's 90 KD.
Ah, 90
Yeah,
kg.
90 KD, and it's more powerful than. it's
How
a new
many
computer.
GB?
The RAM, I think 16, which is good, not bad.
Ah,
two,
yeah.
2 terabyte, the hard disk.
I know it's here RAM 8 GB and 16 GB.
It's 16. The one I
Ah,
bought
so
is
you
16.
you buy 16 and then the RAM they have 2 terabyte and 1 terabyte.
2 terabyte about.
2 terabyte. Oh. Okay, it's good.
Yeah.
So 16 RAM and 2 terabyte.
Yeah, and it's i9, which is the
i9.
latest processor.
Uh-huh.
So, and has Windows 11 Pro.
Uh-huh.
So this is much advanced than the one I have.
That's nice.
Yeah, it's good. Small also. See, later when we
No
want,
need- no need
later
to-
we can connect it next to the TV.
Yeah.
Connect to the TV. No need the laptop.
Yeah.
This will replace the laptop.
So no need hard drive.
Exactly. This is the hard drive. It's
Hard
complete.
drive and computer at the same time,
Yeah.
everything.
Nice. I can take it with me anywhere. School. Like this. See, I have computer up and